Today, let me help you how to work with PyCharm. Let me help you how to work with what exactly? PyCharm, which is really important. I didn't cover, right? PyCharm actually. Okay, fine. Meanwhile, let me uninstall. I already installed actually. I will show you practically how to install. Online team, get ready. You should aware about this one. You should aware about this, right? PyCharm. Yeah, I wanted to delete. I wanted to delete. I don't want to share my feedback. Meanwhile, let us create running nodes. Today's session completely belongs to PyCharm. Let me talk actually. Data science, environment, which is so called as IDE, PyCharm IDE. IDE. Okay. Fine then. $26. Okay. 14. Let's open this. Blah blah model evaluation. These are all we done actually. Kada? Now currently running topic is called as a PyCharm IDE. IDE or IDLE also, anything we can say. 26. And checkpointing did I covered? Introduction, right? So DL checkpoint. DL checkpoint. That is a running topic. I will tell you. Checkpointing. Online team. Good evening, sir. Good evening. My voice is clear, right? I cannot give any number for this. Okay. Let's take this. If anyone joined just now, so on installation complete, that's done. Cool then. Yeah. Now team, I'm repeating again. If anyone joined just now, so I would like to cover today topic name is called as a PyCharm IDE. What is the topic name, sir? PyCharm IDE. Also called as a IDLE. I will tell you. What do you mean by this actually? Being a data scientist, yeah, good. So being a data scientist, imagine you got a job actually in company or project actually. We need to write a program. We need to write a what exactly? We need to write a program. Write a what exactly? Program. To write a program, data science environment is required. Data science, what exactly, sir? Environment. It is also called as a data science environment setup actually. Setup, kind of some, so system setup is really required actually. So till now, what are all environments we have worked, sir? A kind of some different environments we have seen. A different environment we have seen. Environments. The first one is so called as a chapter notepad, and the next one will be command prompt approach. Let me tell you, today you will understand why notepad is the best approach actually. You will understand. I will prove again practically. Next one will be notepad plus plus, comma, command prompt plus plus, right? Command prompt actually. Third one is called as a Jupyter, we done. Fourth one is called as a Google Classroom. I'm sorry, Google one. Fifth one is called as a PyCharm. Fifth one is called as what exactly? Get ready. It is also called as a IDE, also called as a IDLE. Hey Daniel, what is IDE? The IDE full form is called as a integrated, integrated development, L capital, development environment. Environment actually. I'm repeating again. IDLE. That's what you need to call as a IDLE. You can also call as a L is silent actually. IDA, anything you can say. I will tell you why the name came actually. This is one of the environment. In real time, we are using this one to write an example, to execute a projects actually. We are using this. You should get a hands-on experience, important. Today, completely focus on this environment actually. I will do one thing. I will show you. This is not by default actually. You have to download and you have to install. Chappan, you have to download and you have to install. And we'll do one thing. Once installation is done, I will show how to write a Python example. I will explain how to write pandas example. There are few examples. I will even explain about how to write a machine learning example. Daniel, all this important. It's not like a same process how we've done with the notepad and command prompt actually. Different approach. Get ready to understand. All right. Daniel, can you talk about the PyCharm actually? Yeah, good. So PyCharm. Point number one. This is IDE integrated. By using this, we can develop data science example. We can develop data science or Python code actually. Examples actually, right? This IDE will be provided. Yeah, important. There are two types. Two types of PyCharm. Two types of what exactly? PyCharms. Two types. The first one is called as a professional version. Chaptara, what is the first one? There are two types of versions. There are two types of PyCharm versions. The first one is called as a professional version. What is the first one, sir? Professional version. The second one is called as a community version. What is the second one? Community version actually. Chaptara, sir, what is the first one? Professional. The second one? When you're talking about the professional, Tim, here is the point. This one is called as a, sir, paid software. Chaptara, sir, what is that? It is not like a free. And companies are not using this. But you should aware. Second one is called as a, yes, open source. What is that one? What do you mean by open source? Freely available. Companies are using this. Companies are using this. Let me repeat again. PyCharm, two flavors. First one, professional. Next one, community. Now we need to download the community and we need to, so install and we need to start work actually. Team, are you clear till now? Kind note actually. In companies, we are using community version to work, so to work on data science actually. To work on what exactly? Data science project. These are all. Hope you understand clearly. Let's move on. Okay. Good, all right. Daniel, how to download? So get ready when you're talking about the PyCharm. Community version I'm talking. The first point, you have to download. Next point, we have to install. You have to install. Let me explain how to download. Go to the Google. PyCharm download. PyCharm. It is a software which will be provided by one company. Company name is called as a JetBrains. What is the company name? This JetBrains is a company. They have created this IDE. And not only this, one more IDE they have created, IntelliJ. What is that? When I was working in a big data developer, like especially PySpark, IntelliJ, that is one of the IDE, especially to work with Scala programs actually. Anyway, not required that one. Java or Scala program, IntelliJ we need to use. But anyway, you need to understand PyCharm actually. Oh, they have changed the name. Sir, first one is called as a professional version. First one is called as what exactly? Professional version. And the second one is called as what exactly, sir? Community version. Here you can see specifically. Chudandi, what edition actually? Community edition. This you need to be download. Don't download the first one, even though it is telling free. I cannot believe this. Unified product actually. But we have to believe this actually. Why? Because all companies are using this one only. PyCharm Community Edition. What edition? Let's take this. This is the link. Link to download. Just to give a click on this download actually. Sir, almost I can say 600 MB. It is being getting downloading automatically. If you closely observe here, chaptara 600 plus MB, almost near to more than half GB. More than half GB. You should have a proper internet connection to download this. How about hostel internet connection? Good. Good, man. What about food actually? No. Only internet they're giving. All you guys are staying in PG? I'm sorry for asking. And AC untunda? I'm sorry. Oh, very hot. Environment chala hot untunda, sir. At least coolers, they will charge more, I guess, actually. Okay. Good. I understand. Daniel, you're expecting more actually. Sorry, sir. It is being getting downloading. Yeah, done. Successfully downloaded actually. Yeah, done. Then it's the right time to install. Just to give a double click. Please follow the installation. You have to be very careful. Follow the installation. This one is a software. The size will be almost 650 MB actually. To download this one, first of all, it is a .exe file. Did you observe very closely? And here, this one is called as a .exe file. Chappan sir, .exe means executable file. Something like a Python software. Click on install. This is something like you have to click on install actually. Just give a double click. Yeah, cinema started actually. It is being getting starting. You will get like this. It takes some time. But once you install PyCharm IDE, your system little slow. Not much, but little. You can feel that. Can I click on no? Can I click on no? Okay, good. Welcome to the PyCharm IT Community Edition setup. Yes, it is being getting common. Next, good. Simple, very simple. Yeah. How much GB it is required, sir? 2 GB required, sir. Oh my God. 2 GB space it occupies actually. And in my laptop already 20 GB I do have empty space. If you want, you can change the folder location also. That is still fine. If you want, you can change the path of location also being the installation. But C would be recommended. Why? Because unfortunately you may delete other drivers actually. Click on to the next. Don't select anything. Nothing is required. Don't check any check boxes actually. If you check also, that is okay. But don't do that. Cinema short actually. Yeah. It is keep on, take some time. It takes some time for being getting installing. It is being getting installing. Please be patient. See, literally takes some time. That's why I like Notepad actually. By this time, example was Daniel, what is going on? The required dependencies it is being getting installing. The required dependencies. What do you mean by that? Best example, a newly married couple. They're planning to change the house actually. Yeah, utilities required. So they need to, arrange those utilities actually. Same thing like that. When you are being getting installing that IDE in your system, all required dependencies it is being getting installing. No option. You have to please be patient. See. Raining started actually. Cinema started. Yeah. At last you will get this kind of completing PyCharm community edition setup and finish. And here you can see run. Run means open the PyCharm. Can you talk with me? What is that run means? Let me ask a question. Here you need to be understand one important point. Hold on. Just try to keep this pop-up actual. This window, keep this pop window. Till now, Daniel, I just wanted to write a kind of some Python example or pandas example or machine learning example. That is still okay. ML example or DL example. Then what is approach we followed, sir? We open Notepad and we are creating demo1.py. The next one will be, Chapan sir, demo2.py. The next one is what exactly? Demo3.py. Like this we have written actually. Am I right? Now, but when you're talking about the PyCharm, it's not like demo1, demo2, demo3. First of all, what we need to do, you can create a project one. Okay. Inside project one, you need to create a folder. Folder name is called. First of all, we need to open PyCharm. First of all, you need to open what exactly? PyCharm. Then we need to create a project one. Inside project one, you need to create a SRC. What do you mean by SRC, sir? Source code. Inside SRC, you need to create a demo1.py. That is a process. Real-time approach actually. Talk with me one more time. PyCharm, project one, SRC, demo one. Right. Same thing like that. Here you can create a demo2.py. Next one, demo3.py. Right. Daniel, can I create a project two? Yeah. Story is the same, sir. Exactly, sir. Same copy paste actually. Again, project three. Like this, keep on goes actually. Conclusion of the story. When you are working with PyCharm, the terminology is important. Project. What is that? project actually. Even hello world example also you need to create a project. Hello world example actually. Come on, let me show you one example. You will get an idea. SRC, keep on. The cinema goes like this actually. Step number 1. Hey Daniel, I just wanted to open the PyCharm. I just wanted to open what exactly? Open a PyCharm actually. So very simple. Open a PyCharm. Click on run. Click on what exactly? Run. As of now, this window you do have, right? Click on run. The PyCharm is being getting opening. Click on finish. The moment once the window is being getting closing, PyCharm will start. It is being getting opening actually. Chudandi. System hanged actually. It's open like this. It will open like this. Sir, this step is important. This kind of window only one time you will get actually. Only one time. Throughout installation and download actually only one time. It is telling, hey, do you want to write a directly new script actually? No. You have to select what exactly, no, sir? Project. We'll do one thing. I have a motto. I have a plan actually. Can I ask a question? Till now, we created a coding folder where we created actually desktop. Chappan, where we created desktop. Now, what I'm planning, I'm planning to create a folder in the desktop that either you can create in a desktop or else let me create in a D drive. Let me create in where exactly, sir? D drive. Let me create actually. 1 minute. Seriously? Previously, I already created some projects. Let me delete those. Good, all right. Come on. Go to the D drive and here, let me create a folder. Folder name is called as a projects. Chappan sir, what is the folder name? Can I ask a question? I have created a folder and which directory? D drive. Remember this. Now go to the new project. Very good. Did you notice here actually? Me కనిపిస్తుందా sir? Can I apply magnifier actually? Let's do small over action. Please observe where is magnifier? Ekkadun sir? Yeah. Please observe here. By default, it is going to the path. The path will be C, users, Daniel, PyCharm, project. These are all things actually. But I don't want this path. Just now we have created one path. What is that path? Very good. Select that. D drive. Go to the C drive. Close that magnifier first, Daniel. Please. It is giving some. Click on this. Close this. Yeah, back to the session. D drive. Select projects. Very good. Select the folder we have selected. We have selected projects folder. Now I'm planning to create a first project. Project name is the first. Second project. Third project. Indirectly, in D drive, folder name projects, project name first. If you want, you can give anything. That's it. Yeah, backward slash we have to provide. And what is the next step? Create. Sir, it takes some time. Please be patient. It takes some time. The window looks like this actually. That's okay. So warning, you can ignore that. You will get some recommendations and some blah blah blah. It is, you can close this. It will do some over action. Close this. All right. And here, yeah, done. Environment is done actually. So by default, the theme is very dark. The window looks like very dark actually. If you want, I can change it to white. I will explain actually. Sir, are you able to see what is this one? First. This first folder is available in where? Inside D drive, inside projects, inside first actually. Very good. You are able to see. If you want, you can just, sir, still it is moving on. 1 minute. My system hangs, sir. Look at my screen, please. Anyway, that's still okay. Look at my screen. One minute. Please select a valid Python interpreter. We no need to select basically. If you spare some time, I just wanted to use this one only. Okay, fine then. So I need your response actually, please. Sir, that option by default it will not come. I'm sorry, but that option by default it will come actually. Whenever you are creating a project, we no need to configure. We no need to what exactly? Configure the Python path actually. But now it is asking. But now it asked actually. But I have selected. Just yes, select the existing path actually. Select what exactly existing path. But you may not get that option. Anyway, I will show you one more project. You will get an idea. Fine then. Look at my screen. My system hangout. ఒక నిమిషం టైం ఇస్తారా? Go to the task manager. Don't worry. Don't worry. Go to the Windows. Just now we have installed actually. Open that PyCharm. I will explain one more time. So it is getting loading actually. You have to always, once you open PyCharm, you have to focus on here. These are all setups supposed to be done. I'm wondering, generally we should not get this one actually. Daniel, can you explain one more time? I will explain, sir. Please be patient. I will explain. Now look at my screen, everybody. I request you look at my screen, everybody. Sir, first you will get the project name. What is the project name I have given? First. Go to the first folder, and along with that one kind of some external libraries also will get. What you will get, sir? You can ignore that actually. Good. Why? Because for this project, that external Python libraries are included actually. That's what is called as a integrated development environment. Integrated. Python is already integrated actually from your existing system. Give a right click, new, folder we need to create a kind of some directory. The directory name is so called as SRC. What is the directory name? SRC means source code. All are lowercase only. Nowhere you should not use uppercase. Don't give space also. Don't give what exactly? Space also. Yeah. There is no OK button or cancel button. Press enter. Yeah. SRC folder is being getting created actually. If you want, convert into Daniel, convert into white color. I don't want dark theme actually. I wanted to change light theme. Yeah, looks good. Apply this. Now somewhat better actually. Kada? Is it okay? Previously the dark one, up to you. I like white actually. If you want to, you can continue with the dark actually. That's still okay. Fine. I have created a folder. Folder name is called as a SRC. Give a right click on this SRC. New. Click onto the Python file. Can you help me one more time? Give a right click. New. Click onto Python file. Now here Python file unit test, stub actually you can ignore both below and here you can just have to provide. Sir, demo1.py we should not provide. Why? Because this is by default Python file. Then press enter button. Python file is created actually. Python file is being creating. Yeah, now here you can just have to write an example. Print off, you can just have to type here, hello. Successfully I have written an example actually. Once you have written an example, Daniel, can I increase the font? Go to settings. I wanted to increase the font. Yeah, this one increased actually. Now, once we have written the program, what we need to do, sir? It's a very simple. We need to run the program. How to run the program? There are three ways. Listen carefully. There are three ways. The first one, go to your program, give a right click, run demo one. Run demo one actually. Option number one. Click on this run demo one. You will get output like what exactly, sir? Hello. It is still loading something. Yeah, good. That's still okay. You can ignore this discussion. Yes, you got an output like what exactly, sir? Hello. First way. Second approach. Give a right click over the program. Give a right click over the program and run demo one. Yes, you are getting output like a hello actually. Second way. Third way. First time once you run the program, here you can see option. Option name is called as a demo one. This option means what exactly? Run. You can click on that one. You will get output like a hello. These are all ways we can do actually. Meeku ardhamaindha sir. Right. Now I have a question for you. Can you help me? I wanted to create a demo 2. I wanted to create a demo 2. Always Python programs are available inside SRC folder. Madam, what folder? Come on, let's help you. Can you help me? Go to the SRC, give a right click, new Python file and demo 2 actually. Do we need to give .py? No, just to demo 2, enter. We'll create values equals to which one? Not this one, sir. So 1 minute. If you spare some time, I can. A lot of options got changed actually. No, it is still same. Supposed to be done. Still lot of files are being getting loading actually. You can ignore this one. It takes, maybe it is updating in the backend. Fine. In demo number 2, let me write values equals to, values equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. For value in values, column symbol, by default indentation it will provide actually. And here value. Can you help me how to run actually? Chapter ela run cheyala. Go to the demo 2, right click, run demo 2. Yes, you will get one by one value. Yes, very good. You are getting output like what exactly? One by one value. Approach number 1. Approach number 2. Go to your program, click anywhere else, right click actually, and run demo 2. Approach number 2. Third way actually. Once first time you run this one, here you can see a kind of some drop down symbol. Do you want it to run demo 2? Yes, demo 2 is already there, and click on this one and you can run. Yes, you are getting output like this actually. Yeah. Did you understand, sir? Meeku ardhamainda? Now this is called as a first project. What project? First project. Now we'll do one thing. Let me explain Pandas example. What example? Pandas example. Quite interesting. Get ready to understand. Let me close this. I'm closing this. I have successfully closed, what exactly? Do you think Jupyter? PyCharm actually. Now, I just wanted to open the PyCharm. Then go to the start. Recently added file you can see here. PyCharm, community edition. Click on this. It will be opened automatically. System hanging actually. As I told you, if you install IDE, yeah, the pop-up looks like this. First time whenever you are opening PyCharm, PyCharm always displays the previous project. What is the previous project name? First. What is the previous project name? First. Inside first demo 1, demo 2 by default actually. By default. Okay. Previously, before closing, how is the window? It is displaying like a same actually. It is displaying what exactly, sir? Same. Don't worry, these are all what is going on. If you want, you can close this. If you want, you can even close this actually. You can minimize this one. This is still okay. My motto is I wanted to create a second project. I wanted to create a, now can I explain one thing? Go to this PC. First project where it is available. Very good. Go to the D drive and go to the projects. Yeah, first. And along with that SRC folder, inside first what folder? There are 2 more supporting files with the dot extension. You can ignore that. One more should be available. That's still okay. Dot idea. That's still okay. You can ignore this. SRC. Yeah, simple. Demo 1 like a notepad only. Like what exactly, sir? Notepad only. Did you understand? Online team, what about you? Are you following? Sir, I need one response, man. From anybody? Are you following or not? Then let's move on. Let me create one more project. To create a new project, what we need, you can minimize this and you can click on this one. You can, sir, play with options. This is something like a tool. You can play with an options initially. So until 1 or 2 times, if you are able to, nothing happens. Click on everywhere, whatever you want actually. Nothing happens. Asal bhayapadaddu. You are not entering your credit card details here actually. Nothing will be happen. You can just have to go here and here you can choose one thing. What is that? New project. Previously first. Now what I'm planning to do, second. Click on this. The moment whenever you are clicking on new project, and by default D drive, I like it. Projects, I like it. It is giving the name as a Python project. I don't want this one. Delete that. And you can give second. You can give what exactly, sir? Second. Good. Now let us just have to run this one. Create actually. It is being getting running. It takes some time to load actually. Please wait. How long time, sir? It is again asking. You can click on. Yeah, by default, Python version supposed to be select from our current system actually. This window. Now it takes some time. It takes some time. Here you have to be always, you have to see here actually. It is being getting running something. Then I never expect this much very speed my system actually. Oh, good. Click on this one. There is a one virtual environment. It's supposed to be created automatically. Now loading actually. Some supporting libraries it is being getting creating. Now I'm planning to explain pandas how to load a CSV file. If it is notepad, by this time done actually. But where we are working, that's why PyCharm actually. You should aware. Meeku idea undal. You should know. Don't ignore these role. Daniel, what is going on? Simple, sir. For this project, the required libraries it is being getting setting. For every project, same process. For every project, same process. You need to be follow. Almost done, I guess. Okay. Now, yeah, you may get a kind of some virtual environment. You can ignore what do you mean by that virtual environment. Not required. Click on this. Sir, give a right click. Can somebody help me? New chapter directory. What is the folder name? Talk with me. SRC. Always SRC. Now go to the SRC. Right click. Chapter sir. Python file. Demo 1. Click enter button. Now, can you help me how to write a pandas code actually? Chapter sir. Import. Very, very important step I am covering. Very, very important. Very, very important step. Let me write a code import pandas as PD. Now df equals to pd.read underscore csv. Now here, what is the name of the file? sales1.csv. Now let me just try to provide the print actual print of df. Now hold on, please be patient. See. Now it is still loading, I guess. We need to create, sir. We need to create actual. In Eclipse and MyEclipse it will come. There is a Java environment. This is the Python environment actually. Give a right click. Now run demo 1 actually. Sir, this is very, very important. Please make a note on this one. Very, very important. Can you talk with me? Module not found error. Module what exactly? Not found error. I'm sure you already done installation pandas in your local machine. In your, but PyCharm will not recognize actually. PyCharm environment is the different. It never touch your local. It is asking, I don't know where pandas is available. You have to install explicitly. Then there are two ways. Maybe here is supposed to get a red symbol and it's supposed to display. But anyway, it is not displaying here. Install package. Click on this one. See, module not found error. Click on this install package actually. And installing package is pandas. It is being getting installing. Did you understand? It is telling pandas is not there and it is asking, can I install? It is asking actually. Options changed actually. Previously here it's supposed to display red color. If you hover your mouse, it will ask, can I install? It will ask like that actually. But anyway, that's still okay. What is the error name? Recently I went to company, right? There was one senior. So he's from non-technical background. We have a kind of some coffee discussion actually. We went to cafeteria and we were talking each other. And there was a kind of some heat discussion. A kind of some very hot discussion happened in between us. First of all, I respect everybody and at the same time, I respect what I'm working actually. I should respect. I like teaching, I like coding, I like programming. That senior, he told one point. Hey, development is easy. What is that? Development is easy. What is there? Nowadays, everyone using ChatGPT. Everyone is using what exactly? ChatGPT. What is there in development? He told actually. My ego hurts actually. I feel very, in my internal feeling will be, what this guy is speaking actually. Then I told, sir, let me tell you. Imagine you wanted to create one project. You can ask to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give the code. To understand the code, you should have a knowledge. To understand the code, imagine I told him directly, you are having zero skills in Python. So you can just ask to the ChatGPT and create a one project actually. He told how come it is possible. That's what. Best example, what ChatGPT is giving, if you wanted to understand, you should know coding actually. Don't underestimate the coding. Don't underestimate what exactly, sir, coding. He didn't accept actually. I ignored him, not required. Are you with me or not, sir? So it is still loading and still loading, still loading. Can I, yeah. Can I rerun one more time, Daniel? Let us rerun. Now, yeah, very good. First of all, pandas installed. Can you tell me what is the next one? File not found error. All right. Daniel, where is that file? You can pull the file. Copy this. Yeah, in that location, same where your file is available. You can close this. That's still okay. Now you can rerun actually. Data frame is created successfully. Wow. Data frame is created actually. Did you understand? Same thing like head method you can do, tail method you can do. These are all things as usual you can do actually. Only the extra step is we have to install the libraries. We have to install what exactly, man? Library. Can I execute one ML example? Right? You will get a clarity. If you are working with ML example, then can you help me? How many libraries we need to be installed? Yeah, we'll do one thing. Good. But if you install pandas, NumPy is default actually. Okay. Yeah, good. We'll do one thing. I will close this. Let me explain how to open PyCharm one more time actually. To open the PyCharm, don't do anything. Go to the start and here you can see recently added actually. Go to the Windows and here recently added or else opened. Click on that. Always it will open the previous project. What is the previous project? Second. Total how many projects? 2. Now I wanted to create a third project. Then I need your help actually. Can you help me? Go to here and go to the file. See, the moment when you moving on here and clicking on this one, automatically file is coming actually. A new project. Now, yes, I don't want this one. Can you help me? Third, click on create. That's still okay. Click on this window. Third project is being getting creating and loading. It takes some time. That's why I like Notepad. How to see from here? You can just have to come here and you can select, sir. First, second, third actually. Nice. This is something like a swap from here to there. PyCharm, sir. PyCharm and Jupyter both. You should aware actually. No, during interview, no one will not ask. Once you enter into the company, you should know one IDE, that anything. Either it can be Visual Studio Code, VS Code, or PyCharm, or Jupyter. But Jupyter is the by default. Along with that, you should know external one IDE. PyCharm is the good actual. PyCharm. Okay. Can I tell you, this is one time practice. 1 or 2 times if you do practice, you will get a very simple. So no need to be worried. Yeah, successfully I have created a third project. And can you help me give a right click? And what is the folder name? Directory. Yeah, directory you have to create. Now Python package. Very good. What is that? Python? We'll do one thing. Let me create a package name is the one. What is the package name? Did you remember? I will create a directory, don't worry. Did you remember in Python there is a package actually? Package is a folder. By default, it contains one file. What is that file? Yeah, very good. That it will come by default actually. Chudandi ikkada. Wow. That it came by default. That day I told actually. Sir, when you are working manually, you need to create explicitly. But when you are using IDE, init file will come by default actually. Init file. By default, it will come. When you are creating a package. This symbol indicates to package. This symbol indicates to directory. The symbol, what is the symbol? Like a dot. Over the folder, there is a dot. Dot actually. Right? Now, anyway, this we can ignore. Go to the third and go to the new, create a directory. Chappan sir, what is that one? SRC. Inside SRC, new, demo one. Oh, do you think .py? Go to the, if you want, you can minimize this. Click on this one. Play with the, this is the tool, sir. Nothing is there. Play with this actually. Otherwise, you can expand, minimize, and maximize. That is still okay. Now, I wanted to execute ML example. You can just have to come to PC. Simple linear regression. Wow. I wanted to explain this code actually. Did you remember? Even previously I told. If you close, are you able to see the code, sir? Okay. If you closely observe, import pandas as a PD from sklearn, actually, you are getting red symbol, which is indicates to that library. I don't know. PyCharm is telling actually. Sir, I installed previously. It never reflects that the current project actually. That is for previous project. That is for what exactly? Per project, you need to install all libraries. Real-time approach actually. It is telling pandas is not there. If you run this code actually, what is output? That's it. That's it actually. Yeah, okay. I can talk later. Click on this one and install all missing packages. It is asking, can I install almost 2 packages missing? You can just have to, it is asking, can I install? Yeah. So pandas and what exactly? sklearn. But we don't want sklearn. We need a scikit-learn actual. We need what exactly? Scikit-learn. I already told, right? You do one thing. You can check this one and as of now you can install pandas. Scikit-learn we'll see later. I will talk with you. Let it be install pandas. Only pandas is being getting installing as of now. Karthik Sarji, being a data scientist, cloud is not mandatory, but I do have good hands-on experience in cloud. What is the main motto, there is a S3 bucket in AWS. Would have a CSV file in cloud actually. How to load that file by using Python program we can load actually. That I'm going to cover. Not end to end. VS Code. If you guys need, I will cover actual. Visual Studio. It's simple, sir. Come again. Yeah. Same, almost similar, but folder structure is little changes actually. Nowadays, VS Code is booming. It is picking up. Everybody started using VS Code actually, Visual Studio Code. Sir, that's what, IDE takes little longer time. Once installation is done, that thread symbol supposed to be disappear automatically. Yeah, good. Pandas done. What is the next one? Scikit-learn. Now hold on, I will explain. Click on here. Now external libraries, click on this one. Did you notice click on site packages? Now did you notice actually pandas came automatically? What came actually? Pandas came automatically. Now, sir, this symbol indicates to? Yeah, package. Make a note on this one. Then if you open that, init file should be available. Yeah, see, somewhere init file should be available. Okay. Sir, same thing like that. If you install all third-party libraries, those third-party libraries, it will be being getting installing in external libraries under scikit site packages actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా sir? Right. Now let us just try to install scikit-learn over you hover your mouse here actually. But in real time, we never ever touch this folder. You can ignore this. Click on this one. Yeah. Did you notice what it is asking? Scikit-learn. Click on this. It is being getting installing. One or two times practice. If you done that, that's it. You will get a clarity. Yeah, done. Installed package. Still it is processing. Yeah, good. Very nice, man. Give a right click here. Run demo one. What is output? Nice. That indicates to pandas is working, scikit-learn is working. Follow the process actually. Now minimize this. Yeah, copy paste the file. Home prices. Do you think can I copy here? Where your file is there? Yeah. Working, yeah, very good. We got an output actually. Sir, this is the process for PyCharm actually. Minimum 1 or 2 times if you are able to practice, you will get an idea. You have to do practice and you should ever actually. And simple, every time you need to create a package and you need to work actually. And can you tell me one more package? I will tell you. Tell me one more package. Matplotlib. Can we try Matplotlib? Good. We can just try to click on here. Chapter sir, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Right. So matplotlib is not there. Then you will get automatically, yeah, see, it is checking, it is scanning the code actually. Matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, it is checking. If you're trying to running this one, run demo 1. Yeah, we're supposed to get exactly, we are getting the same thing, right? There are two ways. First one, hover your mouse. If you are getting red symbol, you can install. This one is the second way. Third way also, let me, sir, I know, on daily we are working with these IDs, but this one is a new version. We are working with older versions. If you wanted to install Matplotlib, what is the third way? Go to the settings. Here, 1 minute. My system became very slow, sir. Here, Python interpreter. Python interpreter. Right. Click on plus symbol. Here you need to check Matplotlib. Here you need to check what exactly? My system hanging actually. Matplotlib actual. Repeating again. Settings. Python interpreter. Plus symbol. Yeah, checking the package. Once you are checking, take this one, click on what exactly? Sir, why this much hadavadi? Why? Because not required. Anyway, here, where is that folder? Run this one. And here it is already telling, can I install actually? Yeah, you can use the same option, sir. Can I install actually? Why we need to go to the settings? These are all things actually. Click on this. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. It's take a little longer time. Once you install IDE, your system will become little slow. You can sense that actually. My system already slow. Chopani. Which one? Anything, sir. Any project, no limitation. Pandas, machine learning, deep learning, NLP. Which one? It takes little longer time then. Which one? One more time. PyCharm. It's like a structured way. Best example, when I'm talking about the project, it is not like a single Python program, like a different modules, packages, sub packages, folder. Can I tell Amazon project? Amazon is a project. Customers one package, transaction one package, location one package, admin one package. These are all different packages, and that administration and package management, PyCharm will do very nicely. If you're doing manually, it takes a lot of time. Jupyter also fine, sir. But Jupyter is just like a showcase. What you're doing, working. What you're doing, working. That's it actually. But that collaboration, one package I wanted to include in another package. IDE works very well instead of Jupyter actually. Jupyter is very good. When it is very good, if whole program is like a normal single file. But your project is like a folder number 1, folder number 2, folder number 3, folder number 4, go to IDE. Go to, best example, this one is a building. Different rooms. One package. This total building is called as a IDE. I hope it is done. That's it, man. So maybe let me close for today's session. Saturday, a short session actually. But meanwhile, you guys need to work on this, PyCharm actually. Maybe running nodes also nothing. We done today's session. We'll connect again on Monday. Tomorrow no session. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, please. Yeah, we done online team. Thank you. We'll connect again on Monday.